Expressways are the highest class of roads in India. In India, expressways are controlled access highways, where entrance and exits are controlled by the use of ramps that are incorporated into the design of the expressway, whereas national highways are at-grade roads. Some roads are not access-controlled expressway but are still officially called expressways, such as the Biju Expressway and Raipur Bilaspur Expressway. Greenfield expressways in India are designed as 12-lane wide expressways with the initial construction of 8 lanes. Land for 4-lane future expansion is reserved in the center of the expressways. Greenfield expressways are designed to avoid inhabited areas and go through new alignments to bring development to new areas and to reduce land acquisition costs and construction timelines. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is a great example of a new 12-lane approach with initial 8-lane construction. The majority of the investment required for constructing expressways comes from the central government. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.